Chapter 3, Jamboree, Part Trade, dog. We're going to get rid of these fractions again, but let's check it out here. Notice I have all these decimals here. This is wild. Now, if this wasn't a repeater, I'd go through here and just multiply by 10, because it would change that to 4, that to 30, that to 20, it would change that to 80. But look at this. The bomb has been dropped, people. That is 8/9, which makes this not nearly as easy to do. So we're still going to drop, we're going to put this 8/9 in, then we're going to distribute through and do the same stuff we were doing before. So here we go. Ready? I have 8/9 times 2x minus 5 plus 4/10 equals 3 minus 2/10 times x minus 3. Now, 2/10 can be reduced to 1/5. I'm going to write this as 1/5. And 4/10 can be written as 2/5. All right, so now I'm going to go through. Ready? 8 times 2 is 16 over 9x minus 40 over 9 plus 2/5 equals 3. I'm going to have to distribute this negative 1/5. Negative 1/5 x. Negative negative makes my positive 3/5. So what are we going to do here? We have a mess. Let's get rid of all these fractions. I have 9 and 5. Well, everybody knows. Go ahead, shout it out loud. 45. You know it. So let's do it. I'm going to have to multiply 45 times 3. Deal with it. Here we go. 45 divided by 9 is, yes, 5. 5 times 16. Here's a little trick when you multiply something by 5. If you multiply something by 0.5, that's half of it, right? So if I was going to multiply 16, right, times 0.5, I know I'd want half of 16, which is 8. Well, now I'm just multiplying by 5. So it's like sliding the decimal over. So 16 times 5 is just 80. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Oh. So 5 times 16, I know is 80. 80x. 45 divided by 9 is 5 times 40 is, yes, you got it, 200. Oh. Plus, 45 divided by 5 is 9 times 2 is 18 equals 45 times 3. Well, I know 3 40s is 120. 3 5s is 15. That makes 135. Minus 45 divided by 5 is 99x. Plus 45 divided by 5 is 9 times 3 is 27. All right, now I have all integer coefficients. And I have this guy right here. Where did this guy actually come from? How did I end up with negative 40 over 9? 8, yeah. Oh, man. All right, anyway, so let's go through here, combine like terms. I get 80x. 80x, negative 200 and positive 18 is negative 182. And I get 135 and 27. Oops, I should add those. 27, 5, and 7. I get a 2 here. Carry the 1. That would be 3, 4, 5, 6. 162 minus 9x. Good. So I combine my like terms here. I combine my like terms here. So what can I do? I can add, I can bring this, let's bring the x's over first. Add 9x over here, add 9x over here, right? I get 89x minus 182 equals 162. Let's add 182 to both sides. Plus 182 plus 182. What do I end up with? These guys are gone. I get 89x equals 4. 8 and 6 is 14, 344. Now all I have to do is figure out how many 89s go into 344. This is going to be fun. So let's see. 89 fits in 3, 4, 4. Well, how many 8s go into 34? So I'm just going to get, I know 8. Well, how many 9s? That's like close to 90, right? How many 9s go into 34? 36, 4. So do 4 times 90, that'd be too much. So it's going to have to be 3. Oh, man. 3 times 9, 27, carry the 2. 8 times 4, 24, 25, 26. 14 minus 7 is 7, 4, 13, 7, 3, 77, 89 left over. Oh my goodness. I apologize for this problem. You know what? I should really have just removed this, and then it would have been much more fun to do. That 8/9 really just threw us for a whirl. But anyways, 3 and 77, 89. That was wonderful. Let's keep going. Boom. 5/8 x plus 2/3, 56.75. Let's try and change 0.75 right now to 3/4. Why? Because we're magicians. 8, 3, 6. What do they go into? Yes, you've heard it all here all night. What is it? 24. So let's multiply both sides by 24. Get rid of these fractions. This is a nice one. 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 5 is 15x. Plus 24 divided by 3 is 8 times 2 is 16. Equals 24 divided by 6 is 4 times 5 is 20x. Minus 24 divided by 4 is 6 times 3 is 18. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to bring the 15 over here. Minus 15x here, minus 15x here. Those are gone. Now also what I do, I want to get rid of this right here, so I'm going to add 18 here. Add 18 there, I'm going to add 18 there. What am I going to do? I'm going to correct these 18s. What I got? Alright. Now what I do, divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. 5 goes by 36 times. 6 goes by 4, 5. Alright, now the next problem. We have 2 more to do. Do I have enough time? Let's see. Yes, I do. Alright. Ooh, man, I got another one there. Oh, gosh. I don't like this. I do not like this. Let's change. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 thirds. Alright, over here, what do I have? 0.5. What? It's 1/2. 1/2. Good. Now let's distribute this through. Let's see, 1/2 times 1/3 is 1/6x. Minus 1 times 1, I get my 1, and 4 on the bottom. Now what do I have? 1/4 of 2 is 1/2, we know that. But let's just pretend we didn't. We'll do 2 times 1 is 2 over 4, which reduces to 1/2. Nice, 1/2 x. Plus 2 times 5 is 10 thirds. Now here we go. Oh my goodness, the same thing going to happen, and do we have to go back into 24? No, we can go to 12. We can go to 6. No, we can't go to 6. We can go to 12 because of the 4. All right. Now we get rid of these fractions. What am I going to do? Multiply both sides by 12. Multiply this side by 12. Multiply this side by 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 1, 2 12 divided by 4 is 3. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 divided by 3 is 40 times 10, right? Now we're almost there. What am I going to do? Subtract 2x from both sides. Why? Because that's fun. Why do I think it's fun? I don't even know why I think it's fun. I love this stuff. This is great. I'm having the best time ever. Here we go. 4x plus 40. Now what I want to do, I'm going to subtract 40 from both sides. I get negative 43 over here equals 4x. Divided by 4, I get 10 3/4. Did you follow me? No? Oh, you can do it. Next one. 11. Do we have enough time? Let's check it. I'm almost out of time. Here we go. Oh, 6/9, which is 2/3. 0.5, which is 1/2. And I have 6, 4, 2, oh my goodness, 3 and 2 and 4 and 6, so we're going to have to do this 12 action again here, right? So let's multiply both sides by 12, but let's just rewrite this so it's a little bit neater. Now when I multiply by 12, let's go over here. Okay, 12 divided by 6 is 2x minus 12 divided by 4 is 3, 9 equals 12 divided by 6x, and 12 divided by 3 is 4, so that's 8. Now what do I do? Subtract 2x from both sides, right? And subtract 9 from both sides. Get negative 18 over here. Those cancel out. 6, get 4x, right? 4x. How many 4s go into 18? Well, let's see. Sorry, 4 times 4 is 16. I get 2 left over. 2 what? 2 quarters. The same thing as 1/2. So I get 4 and 1/2. Negative, don't forget the negative. There we go. And the very last problem of the day is 0.6. I'm going to change this again to 2/3. I'm going to distribute and take care of this bit. Oh my god, change this to 5/2. Alright. Ready? Here we go. 2 over 6x minus 2 times 3 is 6 over 3, which becomes 2. That's nice. These 3's cancel out. Now, 1/3 times 2 is 2/3 x minus 5 over 6. So I have a 6 and a 3, so I'll multiply both sides by 6. 6's cancel out. I get 2x minus 12 equals 4x minus 5. This is really nice. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. I end up with negative 12 equals 2x minus 5, add 5. I get negative 7 equals 2x, so x equals negative 7 over 2, which is, how many 2's go into 7? 3 times 2 is 6, 1 left over, 1/2. Negative 3 and 1/2. Alright, what's coming up next? Oh, word problems. We'll hit that up in the Jamboree Part 4.